On Tuesday, June 20th, the City of Waco and Humane Society of Central Texas celebrated the grand reopening of the Waco Animal Shelter's Shade Pavilion Courtyard with a ribbon-cutting ceremony. The larger, renovated courtyard features a larger shade and a cooler place for pups to play, relax, and meet their forever families.
These yards have received so much use, and we're excited for the latest renovation, making it larger and a little cooler for our pups to enjoy.
Thank you to our Waco City Council for their dedication and to the community donors that provided more than $1.3 million in funds. With our staff and partners at the Humane Society of Central Texas, we're excited to move forward with saving animal lives together.
So everybody take a dog or two with you.
Yes, we have so many.
To learn more about the Humane Society, visit waco-texas.com/animals. On Tuesday, June 20th, 19 Waco residents graduated from the 2023 class of Waco City Academy. The graduation ceremony was held during the City Council meeting where Mayor Pro Tem Jim Holmes recognized the graduates.
Appreciate the level of engagement, and it's very admirable that you are that interested in the city, and the city is now counting on you. And I ask you, please don't let it stop here. Please continue to be involved in the city. We're looking for your leadership in neighborhood associations, boards and commissions, and we really can use bright, intelligent people like y'all.
The graduates applied to the program to learn more about their local government over a series of 10 sessions. Each session featured presentations and interactive activities from each City of Waco department to show the day-to-day challenges of running a local government. Some of the highlights from Waco City Academy included a fire dollhouse demonstration, a mock city council meeting, a tour of the Riverside Water Treatment Plant, a behind-the-scenes look at the Cameron Park Zoo animals, and so much more. Applications for the 2024 class of Waco City Academy will open in January, with the program beginning in March. For more information, visit waco-texas.com/cityacademy. New York artist Manca Ahlin has been hard at work at the Waco Regional Airport weaving a 10-foot-tall depiction of a mammoth and her calf out of cord as an homage to Waco's National Mammoth Monument. Manca uses a unique technique of reinforced bobbin lacework to create a striking texture and creative use of negative space. Manca's cord weaving is one of 4 commissioned pieces of art that are part of the $9 million airport renovation project. Her creation was selected from more than 100 submissions. The airport renovation is progressing well and is still expected to be completed this fall.